Social workers across the county have fresh ideas to support their schools and students' well-being on all levels: social, emotional, and academic.
Social workers' primary responsibility is attendance, monitoring attendance and ensuring that children are in school. They also take care of their personal, their social emotional, their mental health needs. They provide resources in the community for the families as well as the children.
At Walker-Spivey Elementary, they developed the laundry room, which helps their population and community. It's a concept to be able to serve and support them in an uncommon way.
That came about because we were noticing that a lot of students needed uniforms, and then when we were giving them out, we were continuously giving out uniforms on a daily basis. And so that was how it came about. And our communities and school support, student support specialist, she actually got the donation from Chubbs Johnson at Chubbs Appliances, who frequently supports this community. And so from there, we were able to provide this resource for parents.
Social workers are so important to the climate of a school. Their work impacts the lives of students every day.
I feel like students can be successful in the classroom if they come to school hungry or without uniforms. So I make sure that they have the things that they need that are barriers to coming to school or barriers to learning. So I'm on the Student Support Services team where we try and meet the needs of all students.
How valuable is she? I mean, for just the things that she's done for you.
Any money in the world couldn't mount up to what how valuable she is. It makes me cry because when I really needed her, she was there, and it's hard.
Along with everything else she does, I mean, just being a school social worker, she does a great job. She has literally been the glue for our school. I will say that she has been a liaison with the community, with some of our displaced folk, with the Salvation Army. She's been a liaison with them as well, connecting students and parents to resources, EC transportation, helping provide that.
Having additional social workers in the schools would allow more time for individualized and personalized care for children. Cumberland County is a high poverty district, and many of our children are living in generational poverty, which means that their needs are so severe that it requires many times one social worker can spend just about all day taking care of the needs of children, especially our homeless children. Additional social workers would allow time for more focus on academics, more focus on stabilized living arrangements. It would allow us to soar as a district in terms of the support for our children so that they can be successful.